Hi, this is Sanhita and I'm here to make you understand everything you need to know about our site earnify.in. Please keep watching. First, let's give you a brief intro about Earnify. Well, it's a platform where you can make your part-time earning, that too without investing a single penny. Also, here you get your salary on a weekly basis. Okay, so basically what you have to do is, first things first, the products that we offer here are completely free of cost, and all you need to do is promote those products. You get a fixed commission on each product that you promote. Here you also get a MLM deed where you can refer anyone and you get a 10% commission from there. You don't need to search for leads from anywhere, the company will provide you with that. Okay, so let's see how it works. Earnify basically helps different companies to promote their products, and the products that we collect from them are all free. That is, we provide you with the free products so that you don't need to invest anything while selling them. Also, you get your salary on a weekly basis, like I said before, which means if you are working from one Monday to next Sunday, you get paid the very next day, that is Monday again. Okay, now let's talk about Earnify MLM. You get a 10% commission from all your referrals. Well, that means suppose you have referred one of your friends, say X, and X has earned a total of rupees 5,000 in 1 week. So you get a 10% from that 5,000, which is rupees 500. I hope I made myself clear. Okay, so now let's talk about the products that we offer. Our live products are Angel One, Upstocks, and Bajaj Finserv, like you can see, and these are all Demat accounts. Now, if you refer Upstocks account to anyone, you can earn up to rupees 200. If you refer Angel One, you can earn up to rupees 250 to 300, and the same goes for Bajaj Finserv as well. You will get all the details about the products from our website. Also, the upcoming products are given here are the Demat accounts, saving accounts, loans, credit cards, and etc. Let's proceed and see how you need to create an account on Earnify and start with your earnings. So, first you have to open any browser and search for earnify.in and press on get started. After that, you need to sign in, or if you are a new member here, you click on register a new membership. Now put on all your valuable details and proceed further. If you have a refer ID, you can put it there, and if you don't have one, you can put ASHU Ashu. Then you automatically get logged in. Once you log in, you can see your earning and your network. Network means the number of people that you have referred. Clicking on the menu icon, you get directed to the dashboard where you can see the total balance or earning, your registered or pending products, and your referrals. Next, click on the products and view any product according to your choice. Like I have clicked on Upstocks, you can see that you get to earn rupees 200 on opening one account. Instruction on opening an Upstocks account are given in the video, which you can see here. Well, kindly follow it in order to open one successful Upstocks Demat account. Also, do follow the terms and conditions. Like here it's given that if I open one Upstocks account, I get rupees 200, and the profit tracking time is generally 24 to 48 hours, but sometimes it may take 7 days, but that's very rare. You can use any online transaction method to withdraw your money or earning. Now, after opening a successful account, you need to click on enter reference to earn and submit your lead. Like here you can see that I have already added 4 leads where 2 are verified and the other 2 are still pending. The ones that are pending have not been verified by the company yet. Okay, now we have to keep in mind that the details we have put while creating an Upstocks account are the details we need to put here as well. Like if I opened an Upstocks account in the name of X, I need to provide her details here. Okay, now let's talk about the last topic, that is the leads. Here the company gives you leads of the people who are doing the part-time or their full-time job here. You can get the leads from here by clicking on the leads option, the last word, and you can connect with your leads via WhatsApp or email or their contact. That is, in the lead section there are different columns of the names of your leads with their WhatsApp number, their email ID, and their contact number. I hope I made myself very clear. That's it. That's all about Earnify. And if you still have any query about opening an account or anything related to it, do feel free to comment down the comment section, or contact us via email, or you can also call us, or you can just drop a comment in the comment section. That's it. Thank you.